Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I'll show you how to do SEO for images. I already told you, if you want to rank on your website in Google like me, you can see if I search Boostify only, just only Boostify, not .com, you can see if I go to the images option, you can see my images are working well because when I search with Boostify, my images are showing in the Google. You can see all of the images that I have done, they are showing. This is only because I am doing the image SEO. So if you want to do the image SEO, then you need to must focus on this type of SEO. So if I go to the my sites information by using Boostify, you can see here are the images. You can see I already added my pages, and if I show you here in the view all option, you can see I used images for my information for my pages, and you can see all of the images are showing in this tool. So when you will fix your information, and if you go to the open option, you can see here is the image, and this image is working well, and this image is showing my data and everything. Okay, so if you feel you are doing good and you are doing better, then I'm recommending you to use this tool Boostify. Boostify will help you to give you the automated result, because if you don't have the time to do the AI SEO, then you can use Boostify because it will give you the dashboard result. Just you will put your website here, and after that you don't need to do anything. This tool will do the everything. Like they will do the analytics, they will do the ranking pages for you. And here you can see I already used here view all option. You can see these pages are working well, and you can see here are the impression clicks we are getting. You can see all of the information it is showing from here. Okay, impression, click and others. And if I show you my lower website pages, you can see these pages are lower, but these are working well and these are working. Okay, this tool will give you the full success result if you enter your website here, and you don't need to do anything manual SEO. It will do the AI SEO for your website and everything. Like it will do the on page, off page, technical and others option. Okay, so my recommendation is that you can use this tool for your image SEO or on page SEO or full website SEO. So let's back to the topic. You can see make sure your image align with content. Content means, if you see here is one of my page, and if I go to my page, you can see a purposeful glow leader, and this is my topic, and you can see here is the image. So your image should align with your content topic. What type of content you are creating, image should be aligned with them. Okay, because if you are using one image for Donald Trump and you are writing content about Barack Obama, then it will not align with your content. So similar with your content with your images, and use high quality relevant images to enhance your user experience. Okay, use descriptive image file names. Image file name, if I show you my website and I will go to the image library, all of the images I have used here, you can see here is the image, and here is the image name, image title, caption, description, everything I already used here. So this is because I used my images information, and these images is very important for my website. Okay, so you can see I already used descriptive image, like rename images with relevant keywords and tags, like example vegan chocolate cake.jpg. You can see here is my image, AI essential for everyday life. So AI essential is a keyword, and I already used in my images name. Okay, so you need to optimize your image. Optimize image all text. All text means, you can see here is the all text, alternative text. Alternative text is my image title, so you can use alternative text as your title, or you can use others option. You can use some of the keywords and others. You can see include, but it descriptive. Okay, describe the content and purpose the image. Like here you can see there is an option for description for your image, so you can add your full description for your images, like why you use this image and your purpose, your goal and others option. Okay, it will help you to get the more traffic. And here you can see compress image size. Image size should be image optimized. Like if your image in 1 megabyte or over 5 megabyte, it will not work properly because it will take more loading time when people will view it. Okay, so you can reduce file size without losing quality. You can use like tool tiny png image optimize compress images for faster loading times. Okay, so this is the best tool. You can also use from Google like image size increaser or image size decreaser. Okay, so here you can see, here is the first tool. Just select your image and required size 50 kb, increase size like this. Okay, you can reduce here and just choose the right format. You can use jpeg for the photographs or complex images, png just only for logo, only for graphics, only for text. Okay, webpp better quality at smaller size if supported, but this too is very important if you are getting a better result. Okay, so I'm recommending you to use jpeg or png. Jpeg only for all other images. You can see here is my image and this image is jpeg or png. Okay, you can see I'm using png or jpeg. Okay, so you can use structured data. Structured data means if you search with the name of Boostify, here you can see all the details are coming here. So this called structured data. So you need to do the schema markup. If you want to do the schema markup, then directly use Boostify because this tool will help you to get the schema markup from the Google. Okay, just use your website here, then other thing will done by this tool. Okay, you can see I already told you what is schema markup. You can see they will show your website information here, some extension, some information, and more about you, your information, everything. Okay, so I'm recommending you to use schema markup for your structured data, like add image object. Use Google structured data tool. If you go to the Google structure data markup helper, then you can see here is the first tool. You can use this tool for your articles, book reviews, data, events, or anything. Okay, then here is the add images to the relevant pages. If you are showing your video in a specific category, in a specific pages, then or your images, then you can use your purpose wise image. This tool will help you to get the traffic, get the information, get the data. Okay, so you can use your images, your related pages, like you are creating something, then your images should be aligned with them. Okay, optimize image caption. I already told you. You can see here is the purpose basis image title. All of the titles should be your own and should optimize. You can use some of the keywords in your title, in your caption, like it will work better. Okay, then use responsive images. Responsive images means if I show you this mobile version of this page, you can see here is the mobile version. Mobile version image is not good, so you need to use these kind of images. Those are working in mobile properly. You can see this image is not working well in mobile. When anyone will watch this from the mobile, they will view this image in a small size, so you need to reduce the size in mobile version. Okay, so you need to use responsive images, implement responsive images techniques, improve mobile user experience and load speed. If you are doing a better result like from the mobile, most of the time people will view it from the mobile, and if you want to do the better result, then I'm recommending you to use mobile experience, some tools, or you can reduce your size, reduce your image size for your better experience. Okay, then use Google Search Console to monitor experience, but I can recommend you to use only Boostify to get the analytics, get the top ranking pages, AI recommendation and recent blog post recommendation, optimize pages, which pages need to be optimized, and the full article details and internal linking, rank analyzer, optimize pages. All of the details they will show you in a full category wise. Okay, so I'm recommending you to track image performance with performance report. You can use Boostify. Okay, so thank you very much. If you feel this video is very important for you, please subscribe my channel.